So today we're going to be talking about programming a PIC12F675, which is this little integrated circuit in here in this board. This board is a timer I'm making, a egg timer I'm making. It has two buttons, one LED, one buzzer, and the USB for 5 volts. I'm going to be using in this tutorial to blink an LED only the LED, the microcontroller, the PIC12F675, and the LED. We are going to be programming inside MPLAB X ID 6.20, which you are seeing in here, right? Um, the compiler is XC8. This code I got largely from the internet, from this link, but I modified it because it didn't work the way I intended, at least. Crystal frequency is 4 million hertz, 4 megahertz. LED is on pin GP5, buzzer pin GP2. I'm configuring the fuses in here. This is the interrupt, the timer interrupt, right? It has a counter. When it counts to 8, because the timer overflows every 65 milliseconds. So 65 milliseconds times 8 gives me roughly 500 milliseconds. So the LED and the buzzer are toggled or are on and off every 500 milliseconds. After every overflow of the timer, I have to zero it. I have to clear it. In the main function, I configure everything. For example, trees.io, saying that everything is an output, every pin is an output. I disable comparators, I disable analog inputs, I disable pull-ups. I say that TMR0, the subtraction from 256 is going to be 0. So we're going to use the full 256, the full 8 bits. OSCAL is the internal oscillator max frequency. OptionReg does some definitions. IntCon also does some definitions in the interrupts. The while loop does nothing. Everything happens inside the interrupt. When the interrupt happens, every 8 interrupts, the LED is toggled. As you can see right now, the board, the LED is not blinking. There's nothing happening on the board. We're going to be going in this icon in here, which is Make and Program Device Main Project, right? We're going to click this. Then it's going to start compiling. It's compiling, right? It has compiled. Now it's going to start. See, the LED is blinking, the buzzer is buzzing. Every 500 milliseconds happens one toggle, right? So guys, if you want to have more information about this, if you want to get this code, if you want to get the schematics for this board, go to FritzenLab.net. Again, FritzenLab.net. The link's going to be in the description of this video. See you guys next time.